You know who our dogs adore the most? My dad. Here's why. Every morning like clockwork, my dad wakes up at 6 a.m. But it's not for his morning coffee. It's to walk the dogs. Rain or shine, he's out there, treating them to their favorite jaunt around the park. And oh, the treats. My dad's pockets are a treasure trove of dog biscuits. He's got a special whistle too, one toot and our dogs come running like he's the Pied Piper. But it's not just about the treats or walks. It's the way he talks to them like they're his best mates. And let's be honest, they probably understand him better than we do. At the end of the day, they snuggle up together on the couch, watching TV. It's like they have their own secret club and I'm just here to witness it. So why do our dogs love my dad? Because he loves them right back, every single day. And honestly, who wouldn't fall for that?